What's going on, fam? You guys see this today. Yoshimura, however you say it. Exhaust is going on. My stretch Grom, got the intake on. So we're gonna be all set. So we're gonna remove these two bolts right here. Keep in mind, like, your gasket might stick in there. If it sticks in there, it's probably good to use. I'm not gonna replace mine. My bike literally has 200 miles on it. So I'm just gonna pop this off. I'll tell you guys what size it is. I'll leave it right here. And then I'm gonna pop this middle bolt off right here. And then the last one right here. This is it pretty much. It is a little heavy. I did try to show you guys, it was time lapse, but this spacer right here goes on the outside, boom, and then your nut goes on the other side. Make sure to keep these, obviously, some your middle bolt, which I don't know if we're gonna reuse on the new exhaust, and then your two, they're all size 12, and then that gasket right there is what I'm talking about. Make sure that's in there. That's pretty much it. This is the mid pipe. Guys, this is 30 times lighter than the stock. So this one's cool. Then, oh, these are my hubs. Steady Garage surprised me. My hubs, baby. Let's go. Then this is the part, I believe, that connects to your muffler. Okay, cool. So it brings your plug, if you're not gonna run it AFR. Brings two springs, a little tool to pull those springs. Carbon tip, carbon little heat shield with the Yoshimura muffler. That's so fire. I'm excited. Let's get this on. All right, fam, so for the mid pipe that connects right under here, you're gonna use your stock bolts. So let's get that on real quick. Bolt you took off the middle, gonna reuse it for here. So one thing I did notice was I had to put this on the other side, so I'm gonna swap it out. Hi fam, here's the startup. I cheated though, I did listen to it already. I'm telling you, camera doesn't do it justice. Go ahead. Ooh, that sounds pretty good. I'm gonna have my buddy. Alright, you're good. Alright, you're good. When you turn, just watch out too. That is loud. Dang, that sounds so crazy, fam. All right, guys, I cold start the bike over there, but yo, if anybody knows how to get the tires on this, let me know. I can't. I tried. This is the furthest I could get. I can't do anymore. And the back's even worse because the lip. If not, I'm just gonna sell the wheels. I'll rock stock wheels. I mean, they don't look too bad, but it's just annoying, man. But other than that, guys, this is DHM tuned. I fixed the exhaust too, by the way, next day. But cold start right now. DHM tuned. Literally intake exhaust. So I did get the little filter cover for the intake, but that's pretty much it. She sounds good. Yes, sir. She sounds real good. And also, fam, I did get the Vans grips. I did order a purple set because if I do change my levers, I will change them to black. I don't want purple, so I'll do black. I mean, purple, black. I'll keep these around just in case, but I cut the barn off by accident on this side. And now I'm rocking a barn on this side, but none on this side. So it looks kind of stupid to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end up replacing this purple, just to go with my theme. All right, guys, it's gonna be kind of a POV, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna go around my block just to show you guys how it sounds pretty much.